Now we'll talk about the plumbing fixtures, and we'll start by the water closed. And we'll start by the shapes. The water closed has two traditional shapes, and we can see the eastern one and the western one. The eastern one is used in the most of the public areas and buildings because it prevents from the distribution of the disease. And unexpected, and that the eastern one is more healthy than the western one, but the western one is more popular due to their comfortability. Now we'll talk about the drain types. The water closed drain types can be found in two forms, P-trap and S-trap, and their names count on their formation as illustrated in the slide. The P-trap form is used when there is a shaft behind the toilet, and this is the best case to drain the water closed. Or the drain pipe, which is 4 inches, can be embedded in wall with the shaft, but this solution is not preferred. Then we'll talk about the S-trap, and this is used when there is no shaft behind the toilet. So the water closed drain pipe, which is 4 inches, penetrate the slab through the slab with a sleeve, and this sleeve size is 1.5 from the pipe diameter by minimum, and runs under the slab with minimum slope 1% to the nearest shaft. While this pipe should avoid any electrical installation. Then we'll talk about the cistern pipes, and the first one is the low-level cistern. This is the most traditional and available one in the default houses, and also is the simplest one to be maintained. The flush valve. They are mostly used in the public toilets because they are connected directly to the main pipe, so it can work continuously without waiting to fill the tank. The high-level cistern. Almost of time when we use this type of cistern to prevent their damage that can attend the cisterns, so maybe it's used in schools. And the last one is the embedded tank. This type is spread out recently in a lot of the luxury places and also in some of rich houses, but due to their cheapness finishing, and that's why we use it. Now we'll more talk about deeply concerning the eastern water closed. The western water closed should be connected by AC phone under the bowl, and it can be S or P type as we explained before, but its outlet size should be not less than 4 inches. The vertical pipe which takes charge of the bowl cleaning, its diameter should not be less than 40 mm. The preferred cistern type for the eastern water closed is the high-level cistern, so it's installed with minimum distance 1.9 meter from the water closed. Then we'll talk more deeply for the western water closed. In the western water closed, the high-level cistern differ a little from the eastern one, so its bottom should be away from the water closed by a distance 1.7 meter. The embedded cistern has mainly two types. The first one consists from two bottoms. When we press on the first bottom, the cistern will supply only 1 to 1.5 liter from all water stored in the system. But when we press on the second bottom, all water stored in the cistern will be supplied. Most of the time, the little capacity bottom is a smaller one, and the bigger one is the second one. And the capacity that we said varies from between the different types. And the second type of cistern consists from only one bottom by two presses. The first one or the first press supply 1 to 1.5 liter, and the second press supply all the water stored in the tank. And the cover used, its material is mainly chrome. In the public areas, mainly we need to use the flush valve to supply water rapidly, to not wait for the filling of the tank. Also, we have to add vacuum breaker to prevent the backflow, and it should be installed with distance not that 15 cm from the high level of the fixture.